Okay, welcome. Today I will show you how to install Kali Linux for your PC. First, you need to download WinRAR. This is to unzip the Kali Linux system. Then you gotta install the universal USB installer. You can find it on the internet. Just type in USB installer and go to USB installer easiest123. Just click on that. Go down to download UUE and download it from here and follow the steps ahead. Then you will need the official site of Kali Linux. You just go here to Kali Linux 64-bit or 32-bit. It depends on your system. You should know that. Then you click on HTTP and download that one. And you should recognize where you saved the file. And to say it, you need a USB drive to install your Kali Linux on it. I would recommend 16 gigabyte. That is enough space to work like you want. And yeah, after you installed it, everything, you need the universal USB installer. Here, agree. And now you should search up for Kali Linux somewhere here and click on that. Then you should search up the file which you downloaded, which is this one, and this will light up in green if everything passes. Then you should search up your USB stick. This is this one here. It's working. And now you should go on create. This installs your Kali Linux now. This will take a few minutes. And after that your USB is ready. And we're going to do that now. My USB stick is ready. I installed everything. Now I will go to my settings, go to update and security, to recognition. I don't know. I'm not from England or America. I'm just just go to that symbol. It's not in your language, I guess. But and then you to extended start, and just go on restart now. Many guys in the internet have problem with that, but I solved everything. You just go on this symbol, extended options, and to the UEFI firmware settings, and click on that. He will say that you should restart your system. Let's do it. And keep your USB plugged in. And now this is I'm not very like it is on your risk. There is no problems with my system, but I just wanted to say it. You should navigate here. This is just the boot system where your Windows boots up. Just go to boot, and now you have here the boot mode, and just press enter, and now you have UEFI and legacy. Just go down on legacy and press enter. Now he will tell you that he doesn't like it. You will see later why. Okay, just press F10 to save and exit. Let's do it. Yes. Okay. Now you just gotta wait. We're almost done. Now we will search up for the USB, and now we have it. Kali, the quieter you become, yeah. Just press on the first one, enter, and he will load up a cool screen. Okay, and there you have it. Your Kali Linux is now installed. You can see it right here. Here, everything, wireless attacks, password attacks, just Kali Linux. Yeah, that's what you wanted. And now there is a short problem. Now let's talk about that. When you take out the USB, let's do that, and just plug the PC off. Just when you turn it off, just power off. It will just shut down, and now you have a little problem if you don't know what to do. Just when you turn it on, it won't start Windows or Kali Linux. That means your USB is your system. He will say no bootable device, insert boot disk and press any key. You can now just plug your USB in and restart the computer to start Kali Linux, or you just turn it off. And now just boot it, and when it's booting, on my PC it is F2. It could be F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, F11, F12. It depends. Just start it and instantly press F2. Now it will open again this nice menu. Just go again to boot and boot mode, press enter. Here we have again the UEFI and the legacy. Just go up to UEFI, chop, and there you have it. All normal. Just go save and exit, F10. Yes, changes. And now I have my Windows back and everything is fine. Here you can see I can start everything. And just to say it, if you want to use Kali Linux, plug that in, change in the settings, your just go on extended start and just go on legacy and it will work, and make the same process again backwards. I hope you liked the tutorial. I didn't find any specific tutorial that worked for me. Sorry for my English, I'm not from England or America, from Austria. I hope you saw everything. Give me a like. Thank you very much.